ever end up behind a Bentley, not chasing it, not trying to flex, just behind it, on your way to work, running orders, making ends meet, doing what you gotta do, and for a second, something hits you that used to feel so far away, and now it's right in front of you, still out of reach, but not out of sight. And then that's when I realized the goal ain't to chase success like a hype beast. It's to build a life that feels like you and still pulls up in something you've never thought you'd touch. But you can't do that if you keep quitting. You can't do that if you keep talking yourself out of your own growth. You're not behind. You're on the right road. Bentleys don't mean you made it, but they do remind you that it's possible. You just gotta keep driving. If this hits you today, if I talk to you, then come find me on Facebook. Let's talk.